there is a tried and tested path to wealth, not just in eBay or on Amazon, but in any business. There's a tried and tested path to wealth. And once you use that tried and tested path, your entire ethos and philosophy about building businesses will change forever and be better for it. So the tried and tested path is, and it's borrowed, by the way, or should I say NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, borrowed this from business. You start with something small. You start with a product that you put up on Amazon, and you see if you can get any traction, i.e. will people buy your product? You see if you can get any traction on eBay. Now, I typically start with 5 to 10 products, and I launch them all at once, and I go looking to see which ones work, which ones don't work, because you don't know for sure until you make it live. So I get them all up there, get them live, and see what happens. So you get your product up on eBay or Amazon. Small amount of product, you don't need to order shitloads of it. Small amount of product, and see what happens. See if you start making sales. Test small, okay? Test small. You then, if your product doesn't work, you say, boom, didn't work, on to the next one, and you try something else. You go and do that again, and you keep doing that until you find something that works. As soon as you find a product that works, you invest money into it, you scale it up, you put it into different marketplaces, you expand your product range out, and the success is yours. And then of course you reinvest your profits that you've made to continue to grow your business. And that very, very simple synopsis is how you build any successful business, not just an eBay business or an Amazon business, but any successful business. Start small, test, keep changing things until it works. As soon as it works, scale it out, reinvest your profits, grow, grow, grow. It's as simple as that. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below, and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.